I'm not very familiar with Iranian culture. I only learned about your culture from TV. And what I learned from TV is not a very nice thing about Iran. So I hope you will give me a very good picture of Iranian people. What is the latest news we heard about British embassy in Tehran is not a very nice picture description about your culture. So I hope we can learn something today of how you approach this problem in Malaysian way. I do not want this to be done in the your culture. Okay? I hope it can be done professionally. I have heard some very whether it's true or not, I do not know, but I have some not very nice things about students from Iran studying MBA in GSM. For example, lecturers will complain about the behavior of Iranian students in the classroom for MBA, during MBA teaching. Lecturers will complain. They will say that some Iranian students are behaving a little bit different from other normal students. They disturb the class during teaching. This is not Malaysian culture. We Asian, because Malaysia is part of Asia, we tend to be very quiet during when a teacher is in the classroom. But this lecturer or few lecturers are telling us some of the students from Iran are making a lot of noise, and when the lecturer say please do not disturb the class, they keep on doing so. Okay, as I said, I do not know whether this is true or not, but this is what we hear, and this is what we get through the letters and emails. It's not very nice. Okay, I'm begging you, as a Vice President of International Affairs, please do this the Malaysian way. Do not bring your culture, because it's going to be a clash of culture, and we will find it very surprising and something that we have to adjust to. I also heard that some students among you are not going very well with each other, and some has. It's very funny to hear this. Some students have given threats, given warning. If you do this, I'm going to kill you. The word used is kill. That is a bit extreme. I do not understand your culture. Perhaps in your language, kill is okay. But in our culture, that's a very big thing. So, students, after you have the floor to speak, okay, after you can speak, please, let me speak first. I just want to, for you, if you want to say something, please make sure we Malaysians do not misunderstand you. Because when you say using such words, we think you are very violent. Or just because a small thing, you want to create problem. This is what we think. Okay, these are rumors, these are stories which we have not confirmed. Today, let's discuss this professionally. I would like you to say anything you want, but please do it the Malaysian way. I hope you don't try to shout at one another, okay? Because the Ministry of Education is here, and it will be not very nice if you start arguing with each other. I will give everyone an opportunity to speak. I also have some disciplinary problems of Iranian students, MBA. MBA students are supposed to be mature adults, because you are about 25 years old and above. I have disciplinary problems which I chair. Some of you say, when we say you have done something wrong, they say I have mental problem. This is in the hearing. Okay, I have mental problem. I see doctors, and the doctor tell me I have mental problem, which is unusual for Malaysians. We don't admit we are mental problem. Okay? I'm trying to understand you. Okay. So another one is, there was a student that brought in TV from Iran into the premise of MSU. There was a TV channel from Iran, and this student brought in those channel TV people into the premise of MSU in KL Central. My question is, we do not get permission for this. Do not do this. We are not used to your culture. Because you do this, we are surprised. You make us very, very surprised. And we start thinking, wow, what is this? You have to do it slowly. Boys and girls, please try to do it slowly, because Malaysians are very soft people. Right?
What? What is it?
I said, Reza, shut up. Let the guy speak.
This is Malaysian culture.
This is called Malaysian.